Here is the most refreshing and easiest Zobo recipe. Let's get into it. Wash your Zobo leaves, make sure you remove any of the strings, etc., that could come in there. And then you're going to begin boiling it. Fill up the pot with water. Remember, the strings are in there, so get rid of that and all the dust as well. There's nothing cute about drinking dusty drinks. So once you're boiling that, you now then make sure that you also get your sweeteners ready. And we're going to be using dates. Dates are a natural sweetener, but they have seeds, and those seeds are hard, y'all. So make sure you take them out because it can break your blender. You don't want that breaking your Ninja blender or any of those nice stuff that you've got. So just kind of keep that in mind. And while that is happening, I'm going to go ahead and start blending the dates. And these are very thick. So you want to make sure that you add some water in there. As you can see, even taking out the blades are kind of difficult. Then I'm going to go ahead and boil or blend the pineapples as well as adding in the pineapple peels into the boiling pot of the Zobo leaves. That is kind of like my real secret ingredient in terms of just letting it boil as well as adding the pineapple puree and just letting it sit and just boil. It's a lot of boiling, a lot of stirring. I add a little bit of coconut juice as well as some lemons and limes. And then I also add in some vanilla extract as well as some almond extract. So I do all of this before I even add any of the dates. I kind of just let everything cook and just let it be. I also add some fresh ginger. This is just basically blended ginger and water. Nothing too fancy, but it really makes a huge difference if you're really trying to get that very thick Zobo that you can even dilute after the fact. Then I'm going to go ahead and begin to remove or sieve out some of the leaves, even while it's still boiling. The key now is to add the sweetener, which is the dates in this case, when everything else is done. Leave this overnight. You will thank me later. Serve in your mason jars. Have a good day.